Hello, everyone. Welcome to another review class for our very, very hardworking, very intelligent practitioners from the Philippines. Okay, may I call on Sir Mark
Yes, Doc.
from Bulacan, Santa Maria, Bulacan. Okay, let's start the ball rolling. Today we shall be discussing the acupuncture points for rheumatoid arthritis. Okay, let's talk about the etiology of RA.
Etiology in RA po, yung kanina, is meron siyang invasion of the wind, invasion of cold, invasion of damp, kidney deficiency, U1G deficiency, latent heat, immunization, irregular diet.
Okay. Treatment principles. What are you going to do?
Pag may wind po, expel po natin siya para ma-resolve ang dampness, resolve phlegm, integrated blood, clear, latent heat, resolve toxin, nourish liver and kidney, and tonify U1G po.
Okay. Discuss the pathology of RA.
RA pathology po, pag may dampness, merong swollen joints, feeling of heaviness of lines, numbness, age. Pag heat naman po, namumula ang joints that feel hard to the touch. May phlegm, swelling and bone deformities na po ang joints nito, numbness. Pag may blood stasis po, mag-intense po ito kapag sa gabi. Rigidity of joints, liver and kidney deficiency, destructions of cartilage. Pag
Okay.
when pinag-uusapan, gumagalaw po yung sakit dito sa joints. Cold, pain, pag cold po, one joint po ang sumasakit, nag-intense lalo. Pag dampness po, namamaga po yung mga joints po.
Very good. What are the general points for RA? Meaning you
Diyan,
always use this on any type of RA in TC.
ah, in TCM po, kahit ano po, sa akin po is bladder 11 and GB34. Mag-a-ashi point po tayo sa mga affected joints po natin. Pwedeng do 14, do 12, and do 11 po, Doc.
Okay. And also we have Dr. Chow Yu Mei's acute formula for stubborn painful obstruction syndrome. To invigorate blood, I think this was included in the presentation earlier, bladder 17, 20, and spleen 10. Then local points, you enlarge the hole because you're trying to remove it, no? Sedate it. Bleed and no moxa if the joint is red. And
Yes.
distal points, you do reducing. Okay, bleed the siphon if the joint is swollen on the affected channel. Red hot needle. I think this was what Sister Rosa was saying. I don't know if she uses red hot needle if the symptoms are cold. Next, what about acute dump heat? How are you going to treat RA due to acute?
Ah, Pag acute dampit po, pinag-uusapan yung with heat po. I-spell po natin sa pamagitan po ng lang 7, Li4, Li11, Sanjo 5, Sanjo 6. Kapag damp heat pinag-uusapan po, Ren 9 and Spleen 9.
Okay,
Kapag sinews and bones na po pinag-uusapan, GB34 and bladder 11. Tapos mag-a-ashi points po tayo sa mga affected joints po dito daw.
very good. What about if you have RA due to chronic dump heat?
Kapag chronic, pinag-uusapan, semi-resolve natin yung damhid natin dyan. Spleen 9 lang, LI11. Kapag spell natin win, Sanjo 5, Sanjo 6. Kapag yung sinews and bones po, GB34, bladder 11. Local action point din affected joints po, Doc.
Okay. Wind, cold, dampness. Lahat-lahat
Wind
na.
ko, pag wind code dampness, expel natin yung wind. Sanjo 5, Sanjo 6, bladder 31. Para paggalaw ng chi natin, move chi is Ren 6. Kapag re-resolve ang dampness, Ren 9, 12, spleen 9. Pag naman sa sinews and bones, bladder 31, bladder 11. Tapos ashy points din po kapag affected joints po.
Wow. Wind, dampness, heat.
Pag wind dampness heat po, expel wind. Sancho 5, 6, GB31. Tapos pag dampness po, Bren 9, 12, spleen 9. Clear, pag i-clear hit na, LI11, do 14.
Okay.
Kapag sins and bones, gabo 34, bladder 11. Tapos ashy points din po, Doc.
Wow, very good. Number 9. Cold and heat combined.
Pag combine po, siyempre resolve natin yung phlegm. Stomach 40, REN 12, spleen 6. Kapag yung i-break natin yung dugo at eliminate stasis po, spleen 6, spleen 10, liver 3. Kapag re-resolve ng dampness, REN 9, spleen 9. Kapag itutonify natin chi and blood, stomach 36. Tapos po is gallbladder 34, bladder 11 kapag sinus and bones. Tapos Sashi points po, Doc.
Well, okay, non-stop. What about phlegm and blood stasis? Okay, when do you
Ah,
say that the RA is due to phlegm and blood stasis? Like, what particular symptom would manifest from the patient?
namamaga po yung joints niya, Doc, lalo na pag sa gabi.
Okay, wow. Galing. Okay, go.
Okay.
Points.
Points po natin, i-resolve natin yung phlegm, stomach 40, REN 12, REN 9, spleen 6. Tapos yung i-clinic natin yung stasis saka yung bigay yung dugo nito is spleen 6, spleen 10, liver 3. Kapag sinus ng bones ulit, gallbladder 34, bladder 11. Ashley points sa mga affected joints na masakit, ipindutin lang tapos tusukin to.
Okay, instead of spleen 6, I think PC6 is better because spleen 6 is more on the yin. This one is about moving the blood, no? So it should be PC6. Okay, go. Cold dampness.
Cold dampness, one chance pinag-usapan. Result dampness, REN 9, spleen 9, REN 12. Tapos explained wind, Sanjiao 5. Pag sinus and bones ka, bladder 34, bladder 11. Tapos Hashi points din po sa affected joints, Doc.
Okay, good. Wind dampness.
Explain natin yung wind. Sanjiao 5, Sanjiao 6, Gabla 31. Resolved dampness, REN 9, spleen 9. Sinus and bones, Gabla 34, bladder 11. Tapos Hashi points din po, Doc.
Okay, very good. Okay, for elderly, liver and kidney yin deficiency.
Pag nanourish po sa mga matatanda po sa liver and kidney, yin po niya is replenish. Spleen 6, liver 8, stomach 36, and kidney 3. So pag sinus and bones ulit, gallbladder 34 and bladder 11. Tapos Ashi point at para bladder 18 and 23.
You forgot run 4. Okay.
Brand for po.
Okay, what about local points?
Kapag sa
Pain.
risk pag ang pain po nito as a risk po is local point, Sanjiao 4, LF5, Sanjiao 5,
No.
Sanjiao 5 po, SI5, Sanjiao 5. Pag stiffness of finger po, SI5, LI4, SI3. Pag nagnabness at pain ng finger po nito is Sanjiao 3, LI3. Tapos po, pag numbness and pain po sa tuhod, Esplin 4, bladder 65. Tapos hip and joints po, gallbladder 30, gallbladder 29 and 39.
You forgot to mention the extra points, Basi and Bafong.
Apo.
Congratulations, Sir Mark. Thank you so much.
Salamat po.